It's the Keylight project, and we have 3 cells that we're working on this semester, which is the wiring feeding cell, the battery cell, and the LED cell. So I'm the project manager, so this will be had to manage the team, make sure everything is done on schedule. And Claire and myself have done this cell, the wire feeding cell, and I had Rohan and Maria work on the battery feeding cell, which included design and manufacturing everything. We each had to do our individual work. So for this cell, this year all we had to do was basically redo all the fixtures. We spent a lot of time doing remanufacturing a lot of parts which were not done properly from previous years. And this year we added the wire feeder, which we had to design. And wire feeder.
Yeah, so we changed up the whole design of the frame. We got new aluminum profile. We put all the cells together, leveled it out. A lot of pieces like the brackets holding the actuators, we had to machine all of it all over. To hold the block in place, the pusher to push the block out, we had to remachine a lot of stuff. Even the part holding the grippers for the wire, to hold the wire and feed it to the pallet, we had to remachine that.
Yeah, so Clarence's main job, which I gave him to do, was to do a lot of the machining. So he did a lot of the machining, and then all of the SolidWorks was his responsibility. And I tried to do a lot of the designing, which Clarion again did with the machining. And for that, I guess we'll show the wire cutter movement, which we can't get the panel done, although I would love to get the panel done, but apparently there was no conduit ordered for us, so we have to do with little bits and parts. It's not enough for our panel at all, so we can't even do that together. It's hard to lay it out. But we've been doing some of the wiring, like we did the board for this from the solid bit.
Requisition for it?
Anthony said it's on his way, but he doesn't know when it's going to arrive. So I don't know. So for now, we've just been doing a little bit of the wiring. So we redid this whole cable because it was all the solenoid bank, the wires weren't connected to each other, so we redid that. And so far, I can get I can get the wire cutter to move, and I can get the wire feeder to feed. Did you put it up? Oh, but the pressure's kind of high right now.
Well,
but
if the gripper was in place.
Yeah. So, like I was saying, like a lot of if we could get the wiring done, then we could have done the grippers and everything like that. But for now, that's kind of moving and
Still
good to go.
Yeah. So, what did you work on?
I did a lot of the machining, a lot of the design of SolidWorks.
Yeah.
Pretty much taking orders from the project, putting stuff down on the table, filling walls, helping her out with putting the frame together.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it.
All right. Let me talk to me, both of you.
My name is Madhurya. I worked on the battery cell. The design they had here last year wasn't working properly, so I came up with a new design. And this one uses gravity, so you just feed the batteries in, and it just falls in the hole, and you push. Basically, the plate comes out with the batteries in it, and the induction one just comes down and picks it up and places it on the plate. So far this year, I designed and I machined this downstairs. I put it on the table with the actuator. Gokhan machined the plate to hold the batteries, and I also assembled all of this because it wasn't properly done last year, so I had to redo it and build the holes to put the pneumatics in. But I have to program the robo cylinder, so once the panel is built, I can program this and the PLC so that I can work properly.
What he's doing is he built a battery system that's gonna retrieve batteries from here using this robo cylinders and place it into this this Keylight assembly. So it's gonna actually place it into this Keylight assembly. Okay, and then transfer into the wire station. So these guys at the stage of testing this mechanism to see if it actually picks up the battery.
Yeah, go. How much pressure? Oh, hold on. No, that's fine. Yes, it's already has. They can just fix up the batteries. Basically, what happens is as the plate moves forward, the batteries fall in the hole. And